Marion. Look, I wish you were here, but Kim and Carl are having a very, very nice time. I'm so sorry about your foot, breaking your foot. What was that? But aren't you gorgeous giving up your ticket to gorgeous Kim and Carl, because they've come and they've had such a great time, and I did a little concert tonight, and it's not often that I come on ships to do concerts, and hey, you missed that one too. But maybe sometime, someplace, I'll do a concert and you can say hi. So I hope that footsie of yours is okay, and how generous of you giving your ticket away. God bless.
Take two. There you go. It's on now.
Because Kim and Carl came, I got booted out of my room because they didn't think they were going to make it because they didn't get a passport in time.
But we booked. You booked a year ago. When did you book?
I didn't book that. Oh yeah, well I've been here. I've been, on the APT Happy Wish list for a year, but it could. Yeah, my room couldn't have gone to a nicer couple than Kim and Carl. Now, not making you feel bad, Marion, but because Kim and Carl got my room because they weren't going to come, I had to get out of that, and my friend here, Justin, had to get out of his.
Got my room, and I'm now sleeping in the laundry cupboard on deck 6.
And now Fran is actually on
I
my
had a nice room, but I'm now sleeping in a lifeboat, so I hope you're happy. No, really, we heard about your situation. We are so sorry. You are lucky that
I really am sleeping in a cupboard on deck 6.
But
We're famous.
It's all right. I'm back in Melbourne tomorrow.
Used to be down here.
Bye, Marion.